Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Cuff and Cowboy here, getting ready to do the second round of the Shackleman Smith and Wesson challenge. Sure do appreciate everybody and your views and everything on my first video. Here on this second video, I gotta admit, I'm not 100% sure what it is we're trying to do. I've watched Not Dead's video a couple of times. I haven't actually seen anybody else doing the challenge yet, so I'm going to give it my best shot. Had a couple of Pabst Blue Ribbons to help me figure it out. Had to go to Walmart, which that's a challenge in itself to get these bags. So apparently the challenge is putting your hands inside the bag, and it's got to be 2 bags, and then grab the key that's in Goose. So like I said in my video last week, I'm not real big about putting sex lube and Vaseline inside of my handcuffs. So today I'm actually using Hops 9. This is what I use on my firearms, and it's also actually really great on handcuffs. It works really well in the ratcheting mechanism, but it's really good on the swivel as well. It's a real quick drying without a residue. I feel like I'm doing a commercial. This video is not sponsored by Hops 9. Although, if y'all are watching, let me know. So, I have coated my key in the hops. I've got the key in there. I actually don't have a backup key. I won't need it. So, I had a bag from Lowe's too. So, apparently we're supposed to put the 2 bags inside each other and supposed to make it tight or something. So I guess I'll deal with that here in a minute. Maybe do that. I have not tried this before. I keep thinking that probably the key is going to get put through the bag. So the challenge was to put it with the keyhole facing forward. I've got a slightly different set of cuffs than Not Dead's got. So I'm going to use the slide mechanism to do the double lock with this beat up old lockpick I've got here. Alright, so then hand inside the bag, grabbing it. He kept doing it like this, but I don't know if my hands are too big or what, but I can keep seeing it pretty easily, but we're just gonna go with it at this point. Alright, so get the key out of the goo and supposed to find the key hole. Alright, it's in. Double lock deactivated. Cuff is off. Now I'm looking here. I was holding it just like that, and I don't think I actually went through the bags. So maybe a Lowe's Walmart combo is the way to get this done. So second attempt on the other cuff. Not Dead said this would be easier, but I'm not so sure. Well, guess I got lucky on the first try. I guess part of the challenge is not being able to see, and then also having to stick the key through all this plastic. I think I'm a couple of layers up at this point. Not sure what YouTube's language is there. So I had it in the keyhole, then it slipped out. Alright, so I can tell y'all one thing about this one. I'm going to get it reset here. So one thing I can say about the difficulty of this task is actually getting the bags all twisted up. So you might end up with quite a few more layers of plastic than you had intended. So, alright, so back in. Definitely only going, oh, yeah. Alright, in, unlocked, and let's hope I can hold it here. So the key did in fact slide the plastic into the cuff keyhole, so didn't bust the plastic on either one. So I'm thinking that's the actual real challenge here, is not busting through the plastic. It's pretty tattered, but either way. Alright, challenge number 2 completed. Like, subscribe, enjoyed hearing those comments. Look forward to seeing y'all putting your hands in goo and inside of plastic bags that you had to get at Walmart. Have a good day.